Good morning, good morning. This is another day of relax and paint, and I am up playing with colors, and I wanted you to see that here's the colors actually I was playing with, that we are in the fall season and it's chilly in Florida even, and I wanted to paint some of this right here with you and show you how you can make this really fun project. And just paint it on lots of things. Just paint a few of these leaves on a greeting card, or paint them on placemats for the holidays, or paint them on glassware. This multi-surface paint will paint on glass, metal, ceramic, wood, and it is got a sealer in it, so you don't even have to seal it after you paint with it. Okay, so I have a bunch of colors here. I just wanted to get started, and this morning just have a quick little lesson where we can show what we're thankful for, all the beauty and nature out there. God blesses us with so much, and we just need to make that checklist of what kind of blessings do I have? Because you know what? We're very ungrateful sometimes by not sharing what we love and how blessed we are to have nature and each other. And during tough times like the pandemic, I have enjoyed painting. So now I'm up on my chisel of my brush, and I'm just going to start getting some colors going here. So let me show you how I'm going to do this. I had burnt umber. I'm going to get some Pueblo, and then I'm going to work a little bit of that yellow. Let's work it in so the yellow's just on the edge. Okay, so I want darker brown out here. So burnt umber, and then let's move over. Just have a combination of color right here. Let's put some Pueblo in the middle. All right, so so what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide up and down and up and down and down. All right, so I'm going to put a little bit of dark green out here, and I'm going to go slower this time. So I went right up to that burnt umber edge, and I did dark green. So let's do this. You can draw this with chalk. Look, I could draw a little chalk and just have a leaf. You can trace a leaf somewhere if you see a leaf in a outside or in a magazine. So look, go have your grandbabies or go for a walk and pick up a few leaves and come in and say, I'm going to paint that leaf. Now look how fun that is. Now what I did is I held all those colors. Oops, let's turn it around and get dark green in there. So I just took those colors, and then on this dark edge, I put some green, and that's a quick way to shade, okay? So now let's come over here and let's get, oh, I got citrus over here. Let's get some citrus here and some red. Now, don't clean your brush. All right. I'm just in the mood to just create with some beautiful colors this morning. What do you think? All right. So let's come way up here and let's do the citrus green out there with the red. And then let's come right here. And no two are going to be alike. Do you see that? So you're just going to keep with the same brush. Watch. After I paint over there, look, I'm going to push down and stand up. This is a slider leaf. And if you want to learn more of these leaves and practice, go to my practice strokes. It's on Fridays. Go look at it right here on my YouTube channel and practice these strokes. Push and stand up. Push and stand up. So I use that color on all those. That's going to help this kind of flow together. And now let's pick up some red on this darker edge. And let's come right here and pick up yellow ochre. Now I keep dipping medium over there. Dip the medium so it'll move for you. Okay, so let's try another tricky leaf here, okay? Now, first of all, let me show you that we can do it right here with an arrow. And I'm going to come here and just look at the gold edge. All right. And then I can come right along here. Okay. Now, let's take, I wanted to show you that if I add a little bit of burnt umber on, it was the red edge. Okay, a little bit of yellow ochre and a little bit of daffodil yellow. I'm going to do this leaf here. Now watch this. I'm coming down. So I'm going to wiggle out, slide in and down, wiggle out and back and down. There we go. So see all the pretty colors we're getting? Now I can have yellow, pick up a little bit of yellow ochre here. Let's pick up a little bit more daffodil because I already have that yellow ochre over there. Wiggle out and in. All right, so let's turn the brush this way. It's okay if we cover up some of the pretty leaves or that they peep out. So it looks like we wanted this collage of leaves here. Okay. Oh, I got out of focus here. Okay, so we don't see the center of this, so we're going to take brown into there. I still don't see it. Let's try it again. And then you can pull this along there if it's got goopy in the middle. Sometimes it does, right? So do you see how I'm just having fun with it? And every time you do a new color, just look, I'm coming there and I'm pulling the stem in it. See how I'm just alternating it and around? So let's do some red. Are you having fun? I love it when you write to me and you tell me that it just made your day and you thought about it all day while you're trying to get home so you could paint. Sometimes I just can't wait to get up and just paint what I want to paint. That's what I do here because sometimes I have so much I have to paint for my work. It's nice sometimes to paint what I want to paint. Now I'm looking for a smaller, oh, here we are. This is an 8. Now watch this. If I want my apple red to be really dark, I get some burnt umber. Okay. And I want you to see I can put a few strokes. Just little red leaves. See that? Push, slide. These leaves are the ones we practice in our practice strokes. These are slider leaves. With a flat brush. Okay, I can't wait to see what you turn this into. Why don't you show us different things that you end up painting with it, okay? That would be fun to see. Okay. Well, I am going to go and I want to please come share with us. And I hope you have a wonderful week. And I can't wait for you to come back next week and see what we do then. And take pictures. Look at that. It's a pretty fall. Different leaves. Special because you're going to paint it and make it your colors. Thank you so much. I will see you next week. Bye.